This was a really fun experience. Daniel was high energy, engaging, and I felt like the team really connected with him. Definitely recommend. We got Daniel in for our annual retreat to help lead our theme this year on becoming and creating stars. Really helped the team to identify obstacles that were preventing the team from becoming stars and taking their careers to the next level.
We do these retreats once a year for our own personal improvement and development. The biggest takeaway for us today is actually reminding ourselves that there are these monkeys that are on our back on a regular basis, but also having the tools to deal with them, get them off our back. Knowing that the monkeys exist is a starting point for us. As a firm, we measured by numbers with productivity efficiency, but I think we have to start with the human nature side of it, and I think the session actually covered that. If we can conquer at a personal level, it will flow through the business. We're really happy we did this session today.
This was a really fun experience. Daniel was high energy, engaging, and I felt like the team really connected with him.
Great introduction to the monkeys, not just by naming them, actually by acting up on them, singing along with them, showing who their true nature. I found that very impressive, very engaging. Highly recommend that to anyone.
If you're looking for someone to be a guest speaker at your event, I highly recommend Daniel.